With so many streaming services hosting tons of content that anyone with access can play instantly, although companies like Netflix and Google are working on keeping the sensitive content away from kids, but still, it might be smart to restrict children's access to these platforms. With Google Family Link, you cannot even block Netflix on your kid's device, but can also control or restrict other activities. So let's know how. Block specific apps with Google Family Link. To set up Google Family Link on your phone and your kid's phone, you can check our video by clicking the I button. Once you have Google Family Link in place, you will see your kid's device on your phone. Here on parent's phone, tap on View at the bottom right of the screen. Now scroll down and here in Apps Installed, tap on More. Find Netflix from the list and then tap on hourglass icon next to Netflix and select Block. The Netflix app will be removed from your kid's phone. This is it. This way you can block Netflix access for kids and prevent them from watching adult and disturbing content. To check if your child can download the app from the Play Store or not, on your child's phone, launch the Play Store. Search for the app you have blocked. Since it is blocked, you will be unable to find the app for download. Now let's see how you can set a time limit for a certain app on your kid's phone. To start with, on parent's phone, tap on View at the bottom right of the screen. Now scroll down and here in App Install, tap on More. Find Netflix from the list and then tap on hourglass icon next to Netflix. Select Set Limit. Now set a limit using the time wheel. Remember, at present you can only set up a daily limit. Now when you go back to your kid's phone, they can watch Netflix only for the time limit you have set. This is how you can use Google Family Link to block Netflix or any other app from your kid's device. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel for more such videos.